Hey everybody, Tom from Tom's Finds, and today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Luigi Sardo shoes. So if you're not familiar with Luigi Sardo, it was invented by one guy named Marcus, super cool dude. He originally created this as kind of like a side project while he was at university, and it's really blown out from there. So the thing that makes these shoes really special is the fact that they're really simple but very clean, comfortable shoes for really at an inexpensive price. So that's what I love about this. Again, looking at other pairs of shoes for $100, $125 each, or even maybe at a minimum $85, these come in at about $45. And so that's really cool. So it's great. I can trash my shoes no matter how good quality they say they are. I go through shoes all the time. And so again, of course, is buy things that last a really long time, but even the ones that say that they do don't seem to really last that long. But on the other hand, also go for more inexpensive options, so you got more pairs. So really like these things, but let's unbox them today. Before I unbox it, they're generous enough to send me a pair of, or a couple pairs of socks. So super cool. Thank you so much for these. And yes, they got the brand name up top, and I definitely love the fun little colors. So that's awesome. We'll put those over the side. Let's unbox these. So super cool. So here we go. So it looks like we've got an extra set of laces, which is really nice. We got our tag here. And here they are. So super clean. They remind me a lot of like Vans. I love the black on black. Love it. I love black on black, black on white. Again, if you want to know how to dress these, if you've got the all white pair, going a pair of, even just green pants, black shirt like the one I'm wearing today, a pair of white shoes, or even mix it up. You can go with the black shoes, of course, if you're just trying to look good around town, or maybe playing hide and seek. These are super cool. Yeah, if you wanna take a peek here at the inside and see my shoe size, exciting. And yeah, but here they are, super high quality made. I'm not seeing any sort of issues. The bottom, again, it reminds me a lot of a pair of Vans. Just super clean, super great looking shoes that look like they'll, put into work. I'll definitely try them out, see how comfortable they are, but so far I'm really excited to put these on and take them for a spin. But thank you so much for watching. Again, these are Luigi Sardo's, and I'll put a link in the description below to learn more.